Hello friends, I am Sim and welcome to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim. Today is Father's Day, so I am going to make a greeting card for our loving fathers. For that, I have taken this white color sheet. We'll fold it into half like this. Okay, now put your hand here and trace your hand with the help of sketch pen like this. Okay, so I have traced it. Now we'll draw the eyes. Okay, now we'll make a cute mustache. Yes, just draw the mustache like this and color it with black color. Okay, now draw a bow here. And just color it. Color the lips with red color and the bow with red color, and do some brown color here. So our cute Father's Day greeting card is ready. We'll write down some cute lines for our father inside the card. Dear Father, I love you to the moon and the back. Happy Father's Day. So friends, if you like my video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Be Artistic with Sim for more such interesting video. Stay tuned to my channel. Till then, keep watching, keep creating. Okay, bye bye, take care. Happy Father's Day to all of you.